Concatenating objects, linking data and text, a WCI Consulting instant access tutorial. An effective business objects report will provide information in a clear, easy-to-read manner. In this example, we have two tables of information and a chart in our report. The top table displays information about revenue and number of guests for each resort in a given year. The bottom table displays the name and total revenue of the resort with the lowest revenue in any given year. Although we can visually confirm this to be the case, we can make it easier for our audience to understand what the lower table is displaying by using concatenation. Concatenation simply means linking together information, whether text strings, data pulled from your database, or a combination of both. Let's use a combination of static text and a database field to make the bottom table more informative while maintaining its dynamic nature. Click in the cell to be modified, and then click in the formula bar. We'll retain the resort data, but type in additional text to explain the resultant data more effectively. Let's start by moving to the beginning of the formula itself. Click just after the equal sign and type open quotation mark, the with a capital T, space, close quotation mark. Next, type in a plus sign. In business objects, we use a plus sign to indicate concatenation, to tell our report to join together text and/or data results. We'll leave the open bracket, resort, close bracket in place. This tells our report to return the data field resort. Next, we'll type another plus sign. And finally, we'll type open quotation mark, space, has the lowest revenue, period, close quotation mark. Since our report can only display what we tell it to display, note that in the quotation elements we added a space after the word the and a space before the word has. If we didn't do that, the words of the phrase before and after the data field would run together. Instead, this will give us the appropriate visual spacing for our concatenated sentence. To see the result, click the green check mark to validate the formula. We see that the cell now displays information that helps our audience know exactly what the second table is all about. In this case, the Bahamas Beach Resort has the lowest revenue, $287,929 for the year 2004. Let's change the year reviewed to 2005. What is so effective about the concatenation formula is that when we change the year, any data fields dynamically change, and yet any static text remains in place. So the new value displayed in this table for the year 2005 is the French Riviera has the lowest revenue. Notice also that the value of the lowest revenue cell in the bottom table has changed to match the detailed table above. Concatenating fields and text will provide you with a variety of ways to simplify yet strengthen your message in your business objects reports. For more information about this or other instant access tutorials, contact your WCI consultant or visit us on the web at wciconsulting.com.